Full force heart attack, 5-point punch, don't hold me back. We see through you like it's glass. All you niggas fucking trash. You're not that savage, your arms are slow. River with fear when you step to the go. They gon' force me to lose my control. Niggas ain't ready to walk down the road. What? Fuck me so see like we taking shit over. I've been doing business, I play with the owners. Too late for niggas to dead like these ghosts of the world. Has been my don't you see I'm the owner. Yeah, we on the ultra like beam, yeah. With all the money and grin, yeah. I fucking bitch to my beats, yeah. I like the way that she stays, yeah. Niggas doing bitch shopping just for the hell if you never been a definite. I'm a master of the evidence. Run up on a nigga, run to the drum, we call my nemesis. Pull up on the trigger and do the venomous nigga. If I'm something in the place, if I run around with a weapon, I'm tripping out of the drugs. About to bring me a record, I'm lucky just like a Dennis. I'm working hard to regret it, I'm ready, it's the minutes on my mind. My promise to play this.
New wave the ball. No sound of them pull up here. I wanna call the earthquake.
Ladies, I'm telling you this. Me for girls now bad things to say about you. Nothing now go on for you. So you're not
Ready.